What's good, y'all? And I just want to tell y'all, like, in this video, I was excited, but I was feeling so many different emotions that I couldn't. You feel what I'm saying? Say what I wanted to say. Um, I felt like I've been getting everything I want, and it's really nothing else that I want. Like, I don't want anything else. I just want my family, you feel what I'm saying? Like every now and then I would look at something and I'd be like, dang, it would be cool if I had that. But at the end of the day, when I lay down and I think about the day and how it went and all that, it's like, bro, like, I got a whole setup. Like, I got the keyboard I wanted, I got the mouse I wanted, the speakers I wanted, the two screens I wanted, I got the mic I wanted, and y'all see it right here, you feel me? Like, I got it all. You feel what I'm saying? I'm not trying to brag or nothing, I'm just saying I'm very blessed, you feel me? Y'all stay praying and all that. If I sound some type of way in this video, by the way, it's because I'm congested. I just woke up, you feel me? I don't know what's going on. Okay. But yeah. Y'all stay praying, stay reading your Bible. This is amazing, bro. And Mom, thank you. Dad, thank you. I love y'all. Let's get into the video. go ahead and check out these settings real quick. Hold up. Can I hear myself or not? I'm gonna turn all this off first. Okay. Why? I'm pretty sure it should be good now. It should be good now. Everything's cool. I thought there was gonna be some mess ups or anything. All right. Yeah, man. That's all I really got to check out. I did some research on it. Found out you don't need none of this because this is a little crazy. Like you could use it, but you don't need it though. So I ain't gonna show y'all that. If you want to see that, go to a different video and all that blah blah blah. And now we're back to the main one I'm gonna be on probably for the rest of my life. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Anything's possible. Yep. Pretty much. I don't even know how to end this video. All I have to say is this thing is amazing. Let me tilt it up some more so y'all can see. Everything's for real. There we go. And there's a fingerprint. That's annoying. That's what it is. But yeah, it sounds amazing. It's what I expected. I think it's a little better than I expected, but yeah, can't believe it. Now I can do everything I've ever wanted to do. Like, oh my goodness. All that time. Finally. But yeah. You should buy it, definitely. Yeah, subscribe, like the video, stop being dumb, just do it.